In this video, we listed the 5 best enclosed 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 4 Pro is a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring auto-leveling technology and a high-speed printing capability of up to 300 mm per second, it ensures efficient and accurate results. The printer is equipped with an upgraded quick-detachable 265 degrees Celsius hardened nozzle, making it ideal for handling advanced materials like carbon fiber filament. Its robust design and cutting-edge features make it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking high-quality 3D printing solutions. Number 2. Dremel 3D 45-01 Printer. The Dremel 3D 45 3D printer kit is a high-quality, user-friendly 3D printing solution that combines advanced features with ease of use. Awarded PC Mag's 2018 Editor's Choice and recognized as a Google for Education partner, this printer is designed for both professional and educational applications. It features a heated, easily removable glass build plate that reaches up to 100 degrees Celsius and a durable all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle capable of heating up to 280 degrees Celsius, ensuring precise and reliable prints. The printer is equipped with a 5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons, allowing for quick setup and operation, enabling users to start printing within 15 minutes of unboxing. Its fully enclosed ABS plastic design enhances safety and minimizes warping during printing, while the built-in carbon and particulate filters improve air quality. With a build volume of 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches, this sturdy and versatile printer is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, making it an excellent choice for various printing needs. Number 3. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel is a user-friendly 3D printer designed for convenience and efficiency, featuring a durable polycarbonate construction and a compact design with dimensions of 5.91 inches by 5.91 inches by 5.91 inches. Weighing 12.92 kilograms, it offers standout features such as a quick-change nozzle system that allows for easy replacement in seconds without tools, and a heated, flexible, removable build plate that simplifies model removal and enables quick swapping for continuous printing. The printer comes fully calibrated with auto-leveling capabilities, allowing users to adjust the nozzle to bed distance via a touchscreen interface. It supports Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X, and Linux operating systems. Additionally, the auto-feeding filament sensor streamlines filament loading and detects low levels to pause prints until reloaded. For software updates and manuals, users can visit the Monoprice website and search for Voxel or use part number 33820. Number 4. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The product is a FLASHFORGE 3D printer that supports materials such as polylactic acid, PLA, and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, for versatile printing options. It comes in a sleek black color and has dimensions of 15.7 inches in depth, 21.6 inches in width, and 18.8 inches in height, making it a compact yet functional device. With a weight of 15 kilograms, it is sturdy and well built for stable performance during operation. This printer is designed to cater to various 3D printing needs with reliability and precision. Number 5. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D Printer is a high-performance, user-friendly device designed for both beginners and advanced users. Featuring a lightweight Core XY system and dual Z-axis motors, it offers fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second with precise quality. It supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, PA, PC, carbon fiber, and glass fiber, thanks to its 350 degrees Celsius bimetal nozzle and advanced multi-metal hot end design. The printer boasts full auto calibration with dual sensors for enhanced leveling and intelligent filament detection to ensure smooth printing. Its fully enclosed chamber can actively heat up to 60 degrees Celsius for better layer adhesion and reduced warping, particularly for challenging materials like ABS and PC. Ready to use in just 10 minutes out of the box, it includes a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote mobile app control, and 32GB eMMC internal storage. Open source and based on Kipper, it supports customization and optimization. Additionally, users can opt for an activated carbon air filter to improve safety and air quality while printing.